Hi! In front of me is laptop Yoga Smart Tab YT-X705F, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Brightness shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same shortcut again. If you wish to, you can also go into Devices Settings, then tap on Display section and click on Adaptive Brightness over here. Then click on the sweater next to it to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!